Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin Urak. I hope you are all doing great. Merhaba arkadaşlar, Türkçe dersine hoş geldiniz. Ben Yasin Urak. Today I will, from your request, I always, appreciate them. So today I will help you learn how to use different forms of here in Turkish. As you see here, these are a few examples. And I would like to show you and help you learn how we use them in Turkish with explanations. All right, let's see here now English versions here, in here, from here, and to here. Let's see how they are, used in Turkish. For here form, we have two different, versions in Turkish. We say burası, burası, burası. Another one is burada, burada. I will give you more explanations in the following slides. And now here, in here, that means I am in here. So in Turkish we say burada, burada. And from here we use buradan, 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 buradan. And to here, that means to this place, buraya, buraya. Okay, now let's repeat one more time. If you want, repeat with me or after me. Let's start now. Burası, burası, burada, 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 buradan, buraya. All right? Now let's see other examples here before it's too late. Here, burada or burası. Let me give you two examples how we use them. Here means burada, burada. In an example, ben buradayım. Ben buradayım. Ben buradayım. That means in English they say I'm here. So let's see here burası. Burası. When you give a definition of one place, where you are. So here normally we say, for example, the definition of one location. You can say burası güzel. Here it is beautiful, or you can say this is a beautiful place. So in that case, that's why we use burası. Burası güzel. Burası güzel. Now let's see a few tips, how we use them. For places, we add da or de for the use of here in Turkish. All right, for places. If I ask you where you are, so in that case, I use da or de. All right, don't forget this. And now let's see here a few examples more. From here, that means buradan. For example, buradan evim 3 kilometre uzak. Or you can say uzaklıktadır. One more time. Buradan evim 3 kilometre uzak. Or you can say uzaklıktadır. That means in English, my house is 3 kilometers away from here. All right? This is how we use this form here, from here. Now, let's see here a few tips. For places ending with nouns or adjective sentences, you have to use all the time s. All right? Don't forget. If you want to write it down, this note, which is important actually for the use of here in Turkish. That's why I just gave you this example. Now, let's see more examples. All right, I will say in English as well. Çantanız burada, buradadır. Çantanız burada, buradadır. That means your bag is here. Burası güvenli bir yerdir. Burası güvenli bir yerdir. Well, there are two ways that you can say in English, I think so. Now, one of them is, here is a safe place, or this is a safe place. Bütün çocuklar burada, buradadır. Bütün çocuklar burada, buradadır. That means all kids are here. All children or kids are here. Next example, herkes burada mı? Herkes burada mı? This is a question which says soru in Turkish. So that means, is everybody here? Is everybody here? In Turkish we say, herkes burada mı? Burada mı? All right, next example. O burada değil. O burada değil. Well, there are three ways that you can say this. He or she or it is not here. Okay? This is how we say in Turkish. O burada değil. Buradan oraya, buradan orası. That means from here to there. That means from this place to that place. That's why in this case we used like this. Buradan oraya. Well, actually, let me make it more clear. Buradan means from this place or from here. Oraya means to that place or to there. All right? Or it's the either way you can use. Doesn't matter. I hope it's been clear enough. Before I finish my lesson, there's a summary part actually. All right, let's see one more time. Here, in here, from here to here. Here means bura, or you can say burası. Well, that's kind of informal, but burası is kind of normal style. Burası. Burada, buradan, buraya. One more time. Bura, burası. Burada, buradan, buraya. Now, that's the end of our today's lesson. If you have any questions, please don't forget to write your comments below these lessons and the videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye for now.